O2B2 की ओर से मैं प्रगति स्वागत करते हैं आप सभी का आज के प्रोग्राम बिहार दिवस पर। बिहार दिवस O2B2 द्वारा किया हुआ एक छोटा लेकिन अनूठा प्रयास है। बिहार से बहुत दूर अमेरिका में बसे हुए हम बिहारियों के अंदर बिहारी होने के गौरव का जश्न मनाएगा। We are thrilled to have you all share this occasion with us. Together, we'll make it a memorable one.
I'm Pragati. Namaste and very warm welcome to all of you. Pragati mentioned about O2B2. I know many of us already know about O2B2, but I would like to take a few minutes to talk about what O2B2 is. O2B2 is a US-based organization, which means Overseas Organization for Better Bihar. This organization has some unique qualities. I want to call out that what makes this organization unique is this organization was founded by women, led by women. So women empowered organization.
Now we move ahead and let me tell you that how O2B2's effort to celebrate Bihar Divas has been planned. Priyanka, let me tell you, this evening is planned with, this includes a platter of cuisines showcasing various talents in the form of cultural performances and finding pride in fulfilling our responsibilities to give back to society through social work. किसी भी शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत हम हमेशा गणपति पूजन से करते हैं, तो क्यों ना आज के कल्चरल परफॉर्मेंसेस की भी शुरुआत हम गणपति आह्वान से करें।
Invite Shaloni Shwetamra for semi-classical dance performance on the song Ghar Mohe Pardesiya.
Performance by Nupur Dance Academy.
from Mr. Sanjeev Chaurasia, the BJP MLA representing Digha, Bihar, Patna, as he shares a powerful message with us. Can you please play the video?
My best wishes for celebration in California for Bihar Divas. I congratulate Manisha Pathak ji, founder and co-founder, Kalpana Kumari ji, and the whole O2B2 team for organizing this celebration. बिहार जो लोकतंत्र की जमीन में रही है, विश्व का पहला डेमोक्रेसी जहाँ पे उत्पन्न होने का काम किया है, साथ ही साथ ज्ञान की धरती, साथ ही साथ आचार्य चंद्रगुप्त की धरती, आर्यभट्ट की धरती, तीन पंथों के केंद्र बिंदु बौद्ध, सिख, जैनिज्म, आज बिहार सभी प्रकार से संस्कृति की विरासत को लिए हुए बिहार पूरे विश्व के मानस पटल पर आगे बढ़ने का काम कर रहा है। कैलिफोर्निया में रह रहे सभी बिहारियों को बहुत बहुत बिहार दिवस की शुभकामना और बधाई।
I would like to invite our founder of O2B2, Manisha Pathak ji, and our co-founder of O2B2, Kalpana Kumar ji, on the stage for lighting of the diya.
That would be interesting. Oh, is it?
Mr. Vivekanand to grace us with his insightful words.
नमस्कार, आप सभी को बिहार दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। A very happy Bihar Day to all of you. I am deeply honored to join you today on behalf of the Consulate General of India in San Francisco as we celebrate the Bihar Divas. Celebration of Bihar Divas marks the historic formation of Bihar as a separate province in 1912 and gives us a moment to honor our glorious past while steering towards an innovative future. Bihar has always been a land of deep historical and cultural seeds of learning at Nalanda and Vikramshila to bring the birthplace of Lord Buddha and Lord Mahavir. It is the legacy that instills in us a profound respect for knowledge and learning. The Bihar diaspora, particularly here in technology hub of Silicon Valley, has excelled in the fields such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and software development. Their achievements have not only contributed to the global tech landscape, but also highlighted the potential for cutting-edge research and development back home in Bihar. Following the recent state visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in June 2023 and the Minister for Commerce, Sri Piyush Goyal in November 2023 to San Francisco, the spotlight has been on strengthening collaboration between India and the USA in critical and emerging technologies. Bihar, with its burgeoning pool of young tech-savvy professionals, is poised to become a significant player in this arena. Our community's expertise in artificial intelligence and other technologies can be harnessed to develop solutions tailored to Bihar's unique challenges in areas such as healthcare, agriculture, and education. By fostering partnership between local industries, educational institutions, and our talented diaspora, like you all, we can ignite a wave of technological and socio-economic growth in Bihar. Overseas Organization for Better Bihar, O2B2, can play a crucial role in this endeavor, bridging the gap between our cultural heritage and our potential for technological innovation. Your efforts in organizing events like today's celebration help us to keep our traditions alive while looking forward for a promising future. I sincerely thank everyone, Mayor Manisha ji, for hosting this event, and I wish you all a very eventful evening. Jai Bihar, Jai Bihar.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sunnyvale Mayor Larry Klein, and I'm just honored to be here today to celebrate Bihar Day. And to me, you know, it's critical that, you know, from our diverse community that we extend, you know, connections, especially to India. You know, for us in the Bay Area, we have a very diverse community, and you know, I want to thank O2B2 for what they've done. You know, it's building community here locally, but it's their message that the world is a family. And that to me is something that comes very close to my heart. You know, coming from Sunnyvale, and thank you for allowing the Sunnyvale mayor to come to Fremont. But for me, it's having such a diverse community. And I just want to welcome my Vice Mayor, Murali Srinivasan. I was happy when he joined City Council, you know, our first Indian American council member, and even happier for him to be my Vice Mayor this year. It's making sure that everyone in our community feels represented, and having him on council, the face of the Indian community from a Sunnyvale standpoint, has been critical. But for me, you know, it's what O2B2 has been doing as far as you know, building community here in the Bay Area, extending that hand across the oceans, and educating, you know, our residents and highlighting what the Bihar province has done. So on behalf of Sunnyvale City Council, I want to recognize and commend the Overseas Organization for a Better Bihar for the Bihar Divas celebration. Bihar Divas celebrates the history and culture of the Indian state of Bihar, which was formed in March 22nd, 1912, which was actually the same year that Sunnyvale was incorporated into a city. So we do share that from a Sunnyvale standpoint. Bihar, of course, has a rich and vibrant heritage, but the Overseas Organization for a Better Bihar is dedicated to local development of the Bihari community, and their Bihar Divas features traditional music and dance, which has been amazing so far, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the evening. We thank them for their ongoing hard work and successful efforts in building community throughout the Bay Area. So on behalf of Sunnyvale City Council, congratulations. Thank you for all.
With equal honor, I am requesting Mr. Murali Srinivasan, Vice Mayor, Sunnyvale, to be on stage to grace us with his insightful words.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I am Murali Srinivasan. As my mayor, Larry Klein, said, I am the first Indian to be elected to Sunnyvale Council and the Vice Mayor of Sunnyvale. It's truly an honor to be here. I thank O2B2 for organizing this event. And then, as Mayor said, Sunnyvale and Bihar have some strange coincidences. First of all, both were formed in 1912. And then more importantly, if you visit the newly constructed City Hall of Sunnyvale, on the 4th floor, we have Rahini Prasad, who is a Bihari artist creating. And then I personally, as we all know, Bihar has not only shaped India but the world. Buddha, when I visited Bihar for performing my parents' ceremony, we went to Gaya, and then that's where Bodh Gaya, where Buddha attained his enlightenment. He is there. Even today, it's such a sacred and inspiring place. So, thank you for organizing these events, and then thank you very much. Thanks for inviting me. Happy Bihar દિવસ.
Next, I would like to invite Tressa Cox, Council Member Fremont, on the stage to share her thoughts and wisdom.
Do you know what time it is? It is by heart Diwali Day. This is what time it is. I'm Teresa Cox, Fremont City Council member, and it's truly an honor to be here. Fremont, as you know, is the happiest city in the United States. Number one. But I gotta thank all of you to fill out the surveys, and your family members, your cousins, your sisters and brothers. We need you to continue that, to keep that legacy going for Fremont. It's a joy to watch Saturday Night Live and see that your city is number one as the happiest city. But because of it, it's because of all of you. It represents diversity, equity, and inclusion, that we are a compassionate city, that we want to stand with everyone and represent that we can come together to have good schools, good jobs, work together to make a difference in our community. That's what this is all about. I got to thank all of you that are driving Teslas. That helps us out on our sales tax. We really appreciate that. Tell more friends to buy more Tesla, because you turn it around and put it right there in our parks. You see it right there. I know my colleagues here at Sunnyvale with Larry and Raleigh, I know they got the new City Hall, and they got the new A&D billion-dollar manufacturing plant. But we got Tesla to get you over there, right? To and from. So don't forget that. But seriously, I love coming here. I've been here several times each year, and also recognizing the Consulate General representative. We appreciate you and your family being here as well. It's about all of us coming together. Members of FOG, I see other members that are here from other organizations. It's about all of us being one community, that we work together to make a difference. And I want to make sure, in Fremont, we also passed Diwali this past year, and celebrating that as an annual flag raising, but also a proclamation here in the city of Fremont. And so we celebrating each month, whether it's Women's History Month. I became the first Afro-American ever elected in Fremont in 65 years. And I also became the first Afro-American female with a degree in nuclear engineering in the United States, and worked at the White House and bringing everybody together. So my work, whether it's from DC or here, it's about right here making a difference. So we thank you all for putting together this wonderful celebration of O2B2, but also recognizing that diversity, equity, and inclusion does matter here in Fremont. God bless you all. Thank you.
Moving on to our next performance. We are proudly presenting our young performance on stage for next performance on O Panchi Pyare. So let's welcome on stage Sanvi Raman, Risana Das, Ananya Raj Vignesh, Sanvi Rathi.
Thank you.
your eyes and enjoy the melodies of the folk songs of Bihar. Presented by Manisha Pathak, Neha Narayan, exactly, I can hear. Neha Narayan, Javed Anthony, and Girisha. So let's welcome Manisha Pathak, Neha Narayan on stage.
award goes to Shweta Singh Kirti in the field of literature. She is the author of book Pain, A Portal to Enlightenment. It's #1 bestseller category. Pain, A Portal to Enlightenment, yes. The book is all about going through the pain and endurance on the spiritual path, and as a helper cope with the personal loss. She is also a brother of Bollywood star, late Mr. Sushant Singh.
She is sister of
Sushant Singh.
नमस्ते एवरीवन। नमस्ते नमस्ते। आप लोग से क्या बोलूं? आप लोग तो सब जानते हो कि क्या हुआ है हमारे लाइफ में। हमारा लाइफ बिल्कुल चेंज हो गया। बट आप लोग का लव, आप लोग का प्यार, आप लोग का सपोर्ट हमेशा मिलता रहा। एंड it truly means a lot to all of us, to everybody, to all the family members. डैडी का कार्डियक अरेस्ट हुआ था, उसके बाद उनका ऑपरेशन भी हुआ, रानी दी को भी स्टेंट लगा। बहुत बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन से हमारा फैमिली गुजरा है, बट आप लोग का सपोर्ट देख के, आप लोग का प्यार देख के हम लोग को बहुत बहुत स्ट्रेंथ मिलता है। और अभी हम लोग होपफुल हैं कि सीबीआई हमें कुछ बताएगी। 14 जून को इस ईयर आई एम थिंकिंग कि मैं इंडिया जाके, बॉम्बे जाके कैंडल मार्च करूं भाई के प्लेस के पास। तो अगर आप लोग भी आना चाहें और पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहें तो आई विल बी रियली रियली ग्रेटफुल। और बस अब यही एक कामना है कि सीबीआई बता दे कि भाई के साथ क्या हुआ था।
First of all, I would like to say thank you very much. This is the big event, State of Bihar. My name is Narendra Pathak. I am a County of Santa Clara Human Rights Commission Commissioner, Equal Employment Opportunity Commissioner, Santa Clara Family Health Plan Advisory Board member, and State of California In-Home Support Service Advisory Board. First of all, State of Bihar is one of the most important state in the India. Now, in United States of America, especially in state of California, women power, Manisha Ji Pathak, leading the role, acquired the women power and delegated all the different unity and developed the all kind of the small village in Bihar, especially encouraged to the poor family in the village of the Bihar, and that all kind of the activity I would like to my best wishes and congratulations. Now I would like to present one of the recognition from, this is the recognition certificate of County of Santa Clara, State of California, United States of America, In-Home Support Service Advisory Board, IHSS, Certificate of Special Recognition presented to Overseas Organization for Better Bihar Divas celebration in recognition of outstanding and invaluable service to the community, date 28th April 2024. My signature, Narendra Pathak, Advisory Board Member, IHS. I would like to present this certificate, Honorable the Women Power, Manisha Ji Pathak.
Jai Bharat. No, glad to be part of this program. As Chandraji was saying, Bihar is one of the most auspicious, place, and it is called Bihara. Bihara is, land of monasteries. So that's how you are all privileged to be in that rich state. And I admire you, Manisha ji, Ajay ji. These are great people. Glad to be here. So hum actually, we contribute 6% to the GDP, and but we are not politically active. So I would encourage everyone to be part of it. And I've been telling Manisha ji, and Ajay ji was saying that Manisha ji has to enter also in the political activism also. So please try to push her to be there, because that's how we can make the change. That's how we can bring the inclusiveness, what we call as Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and the principles we stand for. And that's how we have to change the narrative here also, and so that we get admiration in the political field also. I thank you so much. It's a great honor to be here and taking a big risk to run as a city council. The reason is I'm going to fight for our own people. That's my dharma, and that's what it teaches, and I adore with it. Modi ji is my inspiration. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, O2B2, for inviting me here. And congratulations to everybody here for a wonderful event. And happy Bihar Day to all of us. Even though, I'm not from Bihar, but I am from India, and Bihar is part of India. So for sure, it is honor for me too to be celebrating Bihar Day with everyone. And I'm from Art of Living Foundation, as you all know what Art of Living. Maybe some of you already know what Art of Living is, but many of you may not know what it is. So just a quick introduction. Art of Living is a non-profit organization in over 180 countries. We also have a big ashram in Bihar too, actually. And the mission of Art of Living is to create a stress-free, violence-free society. And we work with each individual at a time by providing tools that can take care of your mind and emotions so that we can really live our full potential. And that's how, I met Manisha ji. And the reason behind her power and empowerment here is because of the techniques. Am I right? It's because of Art of Living's, thing. She also teaches. She's a wonderful teacher. You should all join her program whenever she's teaching.
Yeah. So many people ask me, how do you do so many things? Like, you teach music, you sing music, you create music, you sing, you make videos, you edit videos at 2 a.m. and then get up in the morning and do work for O2B2, and then you're like, do you ever sleep? So the secret is Sudarshan Kriya, the breathing technique that I do every single day, and that gives me a lot of strength, lot of energy. So yeah, if you have not experienced it, please do. I teach. I don't get paid for it, but your smile is my reward. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Manisha. And also Kalpana ji.
Yes.
Same here.
She's my backbone.
Both of them are part of, they've done the courses, and also Ajay ji. And they are also volunteering with Art of Living too, a lot. Thank you so much.
Namaste all. So, Manisha ji और उनकी टीम, आप देख सकते हैं कि नारी शक्ति के लिए कितना काम हो रहा है. पीछे का बोर्ड देखेंगे, उस पर 4 लेडीज हैं और 2 जेंट्स हैं. तो नारी शक्ति को आप रियल में मौका दे रहे हैं, दिखा रहे हैं कि भारत की नारी शक्ति कितनी अच्छी है। और बिहार, जैसे आप कई लोग जानते होंगे कि अगर हिस्ट्री पढ़ेंगे तो बिहार इतना पावरफुल प्लेस था हमारे लिए। नालंदा विश्वविद्यालय वगैरह सब वहाँ पे थे। बिफोर एनीवेयर एल्स देयर वर यूनिवर्सिटीज, नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी वाज देयर। सो भारत के लिए बिहार बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट जगह है। तो बिहार के बिना भारत कुछ नहीं। भारत और बिहार दोनों 20 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, इन्होंने O2B2 रखा है। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।